In this short video, we will look at generating reports in TSM. The screenshots in this video show TSM V8 desktop, however, this feature is also available in the TSM app. The report screen can be found on the Analysis tab. There are several reports you can view. Change the report drop-down to change the report type. Odds and odds, low range. Use the odds column for the data, whilst all the other report types take their data from the spare 1 and spare 2 column. This is reliant on you having data in these columns in the first place, as spare 1 and spare 2 are both optional columns. To change the TSM display so that the spare columns are visible, you can switch it on via the Display tab on the main screen. In my set of sample data, the spare 1 column has been used to store the date, time of the bet, and the spare 2 column has been used to record the race details as per betfair. First, let's change the report type to course. Our course details are in the spare 2 column, so we also need to change the column radio box to spare 2. The software searches each entry in the spare 2 column for a race course string. At default, these are UK SI-RE horse race tracks. The search is case sensitive. The other two similar reports are race type and race distance. Again, these are in the spare 2 column. Let's change the report type to race type. With race course and race type, we can edit the strings used for searching. Bottom right of the screen is Edit Courses Race Type Custom button. This brings up a new dialog with 3 tabs: Courses, Race Types and Custom. At default, UK SI-RE race courses are in the list in title case format. First letter of each word is uppercase. In the drop-down, we can change the race courses and add them as strings. For instance, if we wanted to use USA race tracks, we would clear the text box and add USA horse by changing the drop-down and pressing Add Strings. The result is a text box full of USA race courses. Press Save Changes to course strings to save to memory and go back to the report screen. The next report type is month by abbreviated name. By this we mean Jan, February, March, and so on. In our data, this is also in the spare 2 column as part of the race details. Note this doesn't filter by year. So you could have multiple years of data in the same month. This is also not foolproof, as MAR also appears in the racecourse or new market. A better way might be to filter on the actual date itself, which we will come to next. The next report type is called Date, Formatted. It is up to you match the date format you have in either spare 1 or spare 2 column. In our data set, we have the date in the spare 1 column in the format DDMMYYYY. The result is as below, where we get a breakdown by month. The next report type is Custom. This has been added so that you can use it for whatever you wish. Maybe you have a rating system of 1 to 9 that you want to put in the spare 2 column. At default, the custom strings are just that. The numbers 1 to 9. This is meaningless in the report below, but serves a purpose in showing how it works. The final report type is Unique Values. This is where the software will compile a report on any unique value it finds in either the spare 1 or spare 2 column. Only the first 200 values are used. Our data set isn't suitable for this. Let's load some other data. In this example, some football bets data where the country is recorded in the spare 2 column. And let's choose Unique Values report type on spare 2 column. We can apply filters to these reports. This is in addition to the filters that can already be applied in TSM. Applying filters via reports is covered in the Advanced Filters video. Thank you for watching.